Designers, let's look at some awesome print. This beautiful print promo for D&K Printing out of Boulder, Colorado was designed by the team at the Office of Ordinary Things, or TOOT, located in San Francisco. Oh, look, it's got tear strips. D&K is a family-owned and operated print shop who wanted a piece that showcased the scope, quality, and ambition of their craft, while also educating their customers about sustainable printing basics. Pull the tear strip. I know you want me to pull them, just wait. First, this outer sleeve is printed on Mohawk paper renewal straw, 120-pound cover, and printed with only magenta ink. The print on the outside also talks about the contents, an eco-production booklet, eco-notebook, and a bookmark set. Now the moment you've all been waiting for, the tear strips. Should we start with that D? Man, that felt good. Was it good for you? Let's flip it over for round two. Wow, that was fun. What a great way to add engagement to the piece and give a little sneaky peek to the good stuff inside. Now there are also perforations up each side, so you can just rip it open and get right at it. First, let's take a look at the bookmark sheet. Printed on Monadnock Astrolite PC100 Velvet C2S, means coated two sides, 150-pound cover, 100% post-consumer paper, 100% recycled, offset printed with low VOC vegetable-based inks. Next, this little notebook. The cover here is printed on Monadnock Astrolite PC100 smooth text, with the inside on Nina Paper Conservation smooth white PC100 24-pound writing. Whew, lots to say there. Last is the booklet. This is full of environmental stats, helping designers and clients make educated decisions when it comes to material and ink use for their print projects. It's full of bright colors and great tools for designers to learn about uncoated versus coated paper, as well as digital printing with this nice little insert. Oh, and it's even got the print specs. Designers love those print specs. The booklet cover is printed on Mohawk via vellum, 80-pound cover, and printed with living ink algae ink. This black algae, yeah, from the ocean. The inside pages are printed on Monadnock Astrolite PC100 smooth and velvet, both bright white, 100-pound text. It was printed with low VOC vegetable-based inks too. This piece is a fantastic resource to build the designer's understanding of process and print production techniques with a focus on the basics, ink and paper. It also showcases D&K's dedication to sustainable materials and processes in their craft. Now go check out D&K Printing and the Office of Ordinary Things to see some rad print work. Links are down in the description. But do you want to see more awesome print? Then you're going to want to watch this video right here.